This year I look for? At 5:30 in the morning. Where you did there? I was at Brittany house. What? This is the seventh time you do this. You take advantage of it. I sneak in at 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, sometimes 6 o'clock. I'm not say nothing, I watch you. I want to know how far you can take it. I see it there, you take it far. I say you go take man Brittany house. And even though I don't like that girl there, because she take man like dog. I say, okay, make you go and study. You go come back 10 o'clock. And I drink Magnum because I say I can stay up until you come home. I get charged up for the Japan sleep. Ready for you. If you put this effort in a school, you don't care me president, prime ministers, prime minister, missus. I don't know. You're devious. I am not a conscience girl because you get away with it. And you feel like say everything nice and you go on good. And you go back at it again. And you go back at it again. Go back where you did. And I'll come back in at 5 o'clock in the morning. Dinner ready 8 o'clock. Come back in and yam dinner. Turn out there till dinner ready. It's hot out here, mommy. I just can't come in the AC. Turn out there and burn up. And tell her cousin say she can't come back in my yard because she's sneaking. She's a thief. Oh, she go in my room, thief out the key out of my room to come hide it for you. I told you I was stuck. Get away from my grill. Find somewhere to sit down. Me know that's not the brand new toothpaste me buy ya open. Use the other toothpaste.
But this one is finished.
Pass me my things. I'm sitting in a cheap. I love waste money. You call this done? More day in ya. Come like someone want me to go sell me body for support on the habits. And a toothpaste.
Yeah, I guess.
Look at all of this. Take this from me. What you do with the buckle of water? Give me buckle.
I'm gonna use to brush my
And
teeth.
good water you want to come use brush teeth?
There's no more water. The water's finished.
Ask the water truck man to come. Till after 2, we have to wait for him to come fill up the rest of the drum. Come here like saying I don't know how to do nothing. Excuse.
Mommy, what are you doing? I know you're not about to spill Pat's water.
Shut up about teeth water. You see my teeth water, you know, say I borrow me, I borrow it. Pot have 3 full drum full of water. 1 bucket not missing anything. Alright, use this for brush your teeth and wash your face. You keep the rest until the water truck man come. And don't waste my things again. Who ate my powdered donuts? Me and them no powdered donuts, so don't come here with it. Me don't even like donut, much less. You know what you want? I see them powdered donuts. You're right. And you want to complain about it? What do it? Look what you want. I'm going in the kitchen and take a little girl donut. Me don't even eat donut with the pandaya. You do commotion and lie. Mommy. I hate a liar. Oh, look out in the house. Oh, look out in the house. Come on, come on, lie. I'm not like your feet, but come on, come on, lie. Me not do that. Me nephew them come over. Them see them and make me breakfast.
I'm just looking at your plate.
Dad, give you some egg, dog. I want to your favorite.
Yeah, sweet boys.
Like you can't curve, dog. Curve the belly, man, dog.
Once egg sandwich, they make.
If you can't take man, you're going to curve, no bumbo, no boy, curve. Give me please, man.
I want to get that curve the belly, dog. I want to get that curve the belly, man.
Hold on.
Give me a piece of egg, dog.
I'm here, I don't need a
Curve, dog.
So I don't want to cuss about.
Let him come and try to take my food.
Come
I 2 bread, me get, I look back at the bread. Put it.
on, bread,
Wait there. So I really, all of my egg and bread on
I'm frying.
I don't want to give it this. I'm not disgusting and awful. On the belly, not the bottom. On the bottom of the house. Give me sit them. On the come out. Right, one little piece of bread and egg them give me and that bit and that them prep the whole sitting and not give me nothing. Awful.